magnificent. It's amazing. It's art. Hey you, welcome and welcome back to my planets. I am Amara. This is Planet Amara. Over here I focus on DIYs and good vibes, and today I'm going to be showing you how I turned a basic hat into this and how I turned this fabric into this. So if you want to see, let's get into it. I have my Tommy Hilfiger hat that I got from Macy's. Got this hat from Shein. It just came in yesterday, which is dented. So I'm gonna have to iron that out somewhere. And then I have some extra fabric. But for the first hat, which is going to be the Tommy Hilfiger hat, it's very simple. I'm just going to be applying the patch in the back of the hat. I think it needs a little razzle dazzle, and that's what I'm going to give it. And I'm using my handy dandy Gorilla glue. This is usually my go-to when it comes to gluing patches. It is an iron-on patch. However, do I feel like ironing? I don't think I do. Okay, so I had to pull out my handy dandy iron because, as you guys saw, there's an indentation in the hat and I don't need that. So I got this baseball that someone gave me. I don't know why. I'm not a baseball watcher, but I took it anyway. And I am just going to use this as a tool for the hat as I iron out this indentation. The goal is to get this patch here, and I think I want this to come out of the NY like so. I'm going to take another pin and just pin that Y directly in the middle. So you have that, and I'm going to pin that right there. Now I'm just gonna press down on the right side of the hat. So I ironed down the right part of the patch, leaving the left side of the patch. So this is what the hat looks like with just the two patches on it. And I am obsessed so far. I think it looks so bomb. It's kind of like giving like Wildcat, you know, a rose growing out of the concrete jungle. Let me stop. But I've been fiending to find a hat like this, so the fact that I created it, of course I'm obsessed. I was thinking to add some studs, and I just don't know if I want to add the studs. So I've decided that I'm definitely not adding the studs to the rim of the hat. What is it giving? Like if I did the entire rim, is that too much? I don't know. I don't want to do the rim, and then thank goodness this has like some sticky adhesive behind it so I could do all of this. And then I was thinking, what if I did it on the outside perimeter of the hat? Like so. Do you see? I just don't know. Decisions. Give me a moment to think. I've decided.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't
go 0 to the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna pull this as tight as I can and see what it's giving. 23 inches. Oh my god. Don't mind me. So I am going to go with the 23 inches. And I thought the average head was 13 inches. Oh, this must be a baby's head because, oh, this has to be a baby's head. Oh my God, I cracked myself up. Anywho, 23 inches it is. So I am going to flip the bottom half of this fabric up maybe about 5 inches high. Let's measure. Okay, so this is about 4.5 inches to be exact. I'm gonna do one straight stitch right across. So I went ahead and I put 2 stitches straight across, and as I was sewing, I did stretch out the fabric just a tad bit because it is stretch fabric, and when you put the hat on, you want to make sure that the threads have some stretch along with it. Now you want to make sure that you flip this into half, so it should be about 2 inches. I'm going to flip the fabric on the right side, flip this in half. Let's just take a look. Yeah, it's about halfway. Okay. And now I'm going to flip it horizontally. And I am going to do 2 stitches straight down. So I'm going to measure up about 6 inches. I believe that was what I got when I measured from the forehead right above my brow to the middle of my head. I think it was 6 inches if I'm correct. And then I'm gonna go up 2 inches more, or should I go up 3 inches? I'm gonna go up 2.5 inches. So that would be 8.5, and I'm going to just dart it. I'm gonna cut it straight across and then sew 2 double stitch straight across. Now I'm going to eyeball it maybe about 2 inches down, so I would say about right here, and I am going to stitch this together. When I flip it out, this should give me enough indentation in the hat to allow this to stick up. It's not going to be perfect. It may be even floppy, and may flop over, which is okay. I just want to make sure that it has somewhat of an indentation so that you can see that this is supposed to be like ears. So you can go down maybe 2 inches to 3 inches. I think I'm gonna do maybe 2.5 inches right here. Moment of truth. Turn this on the right side. Let's see. Good. It's not perfect. I knew it wouldn't be perfect because I didn't put any filler in it or anything, but I like the floppy look, you know, imperfect floppy look. Now let's move on to the finishing of this hat. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. And the thing that I love the most is that it's interchangeable. They're pins. I can take the pins out and then I can do this look. The obsession is the name of the game. Obsession, don't run away. I am obsessed. This is so freaking cute. It's beautiful. It's magnificent. It's amazing. It's art. So y'all, this wraps up this video. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you're going to try one. And everything that I used will be in the description box below. I will see y'all later. Bye.